that. I don't see a for sale sign on it, but this is beautiful. This color Supreme looks pretty original. This is for sale. We'll get it right now. Got the two-tone wagon. Look at that seat. Looks like all the trim is there. Complete car. These are, get the information for you guys. Hey everybody, 55 Classics here. Long Beach Swap Meet. Check this out. This is an all original 1958. Ooh, is it for sale? Ooh la la, convertible. Look at that. I don't see a for sale sign on it, but this is beautiful. $1967.
430? 430, yes sir.
As the other gentleman said, it does run and drive. It's just got a little bit of overheating issue, but here's the information. It's a nice car. Got the nice skirts on it. Looks pretty complete. It's got new tires on it, looks like it. Nice interior. It's a nice car. Get this engine for you. It's got all 4 hubcaps. It's a nice car.
Yeah.
Pretty complete.
Yes.
There you go. Give them a call if you're interested. Was it recently painted? Because it doesn't look too old. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Good luck with the sale.
All right, thank you.
There it is.
It's a fucking crybaby.
Got this truck for sale here. See if I can get the information on it. Ooh, interior looks nice. We got Washington plates.
Porque ya ves que el Vintage tiene los vents
Ah, sí. No, pero bueno, también hay uno que viene que sí tiene los
Information here.
Yeah,
Nada más
so...
como voy a comprar los pinches tubos más largos para que tener.
Sí, sí, ándale.
How's it going?
All right.
How do we get a hold of you?
Te da tu número.
I'll get the phone number for you guys right now. Look at this engine. It's pretty nice.
Sí, yo también acabo de agarrar un motor, pero cuando no me lo adelantado. Sí, pues. Sí, que no hay una.
Here it is.
Ah, pues. 55.
And how much are you asking for it?
32,000 or best out.
32,000, folks. Looks nice. Looks like everything was done on it, huh? It's a nice truck.
Thank you, bro.
Good luck with the
Appreciate
sale.
you. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate you, bro.
Yep.
Estos en 60.
Good choice.
Cada uno. Estos en 40. Sí.
1964. This game. Let's see what we got here. Two-door. Floors are pretty clean.
What's up, boss man? What's going on? Where you at?
Tron looks like it's all there. Looks pretty nice. How's it going? Looks pretty clean.
Doesn't work.
You can tell it's a nice car. This lip is usually rusted out. ¿Qué tiene 283 o qué es? ¿La máquina qué es?
350.
Oh, 350. Okay. That looks pretty nice. Get the information for you guys. There it is. ¿Y cuánto quiere por él?
Ya lo agarraste de enfrente.
Sí, ¿cuánto quiere por él?
13.
13,000. Our best offer. It's got a 350 in it. Runs and drives.
Tiene todo nuevo el frente.
He puts disc brakes, everything. That's a nice car. Look at that. Oh, suspension will be done by CPP.
Pusieron todo nuevo la suspensión.
This is a nice car. Give him a call if you're interested. I think I featured this truck before. 1971. There's the info. It's a nice truck. This one I don't think I've seen before. Short bed. Let's see what we got going on here. Looks pretty clean. Windows rolled down over there, so I get that for you. Oh, here's the information. Comes with the cooler and beers in it. Just kidding, I don't know. It's a nice truck though. Yeah, looks pretty original. Survivor. It's got that patina look. Nice truck, give him a call.
Yeah, he sells all these.
Oh, how much you asking for this?
I was asking 120. I'll do 100 because you're the first one in the morning. It's brand new, sealed, hasn't
Yeah,
been
looks
opened.
nice.
They're clearing them out. They're hard to get.
Yeah.
They're very hard to get.
Yeah, I never see those.
So all the ones that I have on my, Hot Wheel Lego, these are the hardest ones to get. In fact, this one you can't even buy in the store.
Oh, really?
Yep, can't even buy that one.
Oh, the Mustang.
Mustang.
All right, thank you.
I'll do 7.
How you doing, brother? How's it going, man?
Good seeing you again.
Yeah, good seeing you, man. How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. Just got
Nice hot rod. 29. 1947. How's it going? Nice color. $1956. Ooh, sounds nice too. Sounds real nice. How's it going?
How are you?
Good. Good to see you. Yeah, there. Look at that. Got the El Camino here. Original two-tone. Ooh, look at this. 1955. Can't go wrong with the black and white. Oh yeah, look at that. The small steering wheel. Look at those tires. Huh? That means business. Look at this Plymouth. Man. Scary. Convertible. Real nice. Fury. Yeah, that's nice. Look at this trim right here. I like this trim. That's pretty cool. It like wraps around. It's pretty original. It's a nice car. It's right. 66, the rack top. Nice Caprice. Just cruising it. The Supreme looks pretty original. It is for sale. We'll get it right now. Got the two-tone wagon. Look at that seat. Paint job. Ooh, look at that antenna. It works.
How good's the back?
You- right there, you're good. It's a nice car. How much are you asking for it?
I'm asking 16.5. That's the offer.
Okay, and then how do they get a hold of you? I don't see a number on it.
My number is 323-331-2197.
All right, there you go, folks. You see it running and driving. It's a nice car. All right, thank you. Good luck with stuff.
Hey, if it goes through you, I'll hook you up.
Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate it. There it is. We got this Rivera for sale. Get the information for you guys right now. You guys can hear it running. It's a nice car. Looks pretty original. There you go. Works. Looks like all the trim is there. Interior looks pretty nice. There's the information. How much are you asking for it? I don't see a price.
What's that?
How much are you asking for it?
Truth be told, it's my son's car. I told him if he doesn't get 10 for it, I want to keep it.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's fully loaded, dude. So it's got the original factory power windows that all work.
Okay.
The vent power windows, which you don't see that too often, which work. It's got the wood steering wheel, power bucket seat, that works. It has the vacuum trunk, pops, and that works.
Okay.
It's an original AC car. It has everything. The AC just needs to be all connected. And
Yeah, yeah.
whatever.
But it's all there? Okay.
Yeah, 425 Wildcat. It's a beast.
Phone number 714-595-5604.
That's the one.
It's a nice car.
Yeah, no, it's
It's
a
all
fun
complete.
Car. Yeah, it's a fun car, complete. It's still a project, don't get me wrong. The biggest thing with it is just going to be the metal and body work. So this
Yeah.
This is a car for somebody who knows how to work on body and metal and just enjoy it while they drive it.
Yeah, you don't have to look for parts. It's all there.
Oh, there.
All right, thank you. Good luck with the sale.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is a nice car. Floors look pretty nice. Give him a call. This beautiful truck.
Thank you.
Is it for sale?
No.
Not for sale. You can still check it out. It's nice. Classic Life Car Club. Let's see. Got this Baja for sale though. Anybody want to hit the dunes? Have some fun in this bad boy? Here's the information. No price, but give them a call if you're interested. Got those little lights. I don't know what it has, but it looks pretty legit. This truck says it's for sale, but there's no information on it, so. Check out this 1951 chop top. Woo. Let's see what else we got. Bel Air looks pretty nice. This one is not for sale. Let's see if this nice truck is for sale. Chevy Custom. 65, 66 maybe. Nice color. Ooh, look at that bed. Shiny. And it is not for sale, I think. Let's see if this truck is for sale. This is nice. I saw it rolling in. And not for sale. K5 Blazer is for sale. Look at this. 1982. Hopefully you guys can get that. Pretty nice. Give them a call if you're interested. Chevy Nova Super Sport is for sale. There's no price on it, but give them a call. Got the James Dean special here. Nice Porsche. Is it a real Spider? I don't know. What do you guys think? at this. Let's see if this is for sale. Nice 5 window.
Hey, what's up? So, you want like 10 minutes? Like 2 minutes now. I'm sitting in the corner right now.
This is nice.
I tried it once, I hated it. I did it once. How you doing?
Hey Mike, how you doing? How you doing? How you guys doing?
Good. I tried that once narrating after the fact, and I just hated it. It's just, it's better on the spot. Some people say something you won't film. So I'm gonna do your data. I'm gonna film it.
How's it going?
Classics 55. How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you guys?
All right. We watch your videos in
Really?
Australia. Yeah.
Oh man, here, let me give you. They're giving you a sticker yet?
We haven't because. Oh yeah, that got in the toolbox. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You guys from Australia or?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys want to give a shout out to anybody?
He can.
I'll say hello to the Aussie Aussies.
Hello.
There you go. We're here at the got the 65 Cadillac for sale here. Looks pretty complete, patina, original paint. Looks like all the trim is there, complete car. Here's your information. 7,000 for a coupe de ville? Man, that's a deal. Two-door? Look at that dash. Man, American luxury right here. It's got the skirts and everything. It's a nice car. Let's check this out. Yeah, it's a nice car. Look at this cool 80s van. Oh, thank you. Look at that. These are nice Riveras. Show you guys the difference. Do those tail lights and then this one. 1964, 65. See if they're for sale. Oh, look at the front too. See the difference? Boom. And this one has the side trim on it. They are not for sale. Got another Rivera coming in. Look at that. What are the chances? $1965. $25,000 is the asking price. Look at that. It's a nice truck. All the trim is there. These cars are not for sale, but they sure look nice. Neighborhood classics. Little 2-pump setup here. What do you guys know about a 1969 Chevelle Super Sport? That nice green, forest green. BF Goodrich tires. Get you guys the information. The interior looks nice. Always like this combo. It says $396, but I don't know what it has in it. Oh yeah, this is nice. $55,000. Hopefully you guys could see that. Sorry, I don't want to get too close, but there it is. Nice paint job. This is 1960. Man, that is nice. Hear it purring? That one sounds nice too. Woo. Like it. The Tawar's rolling in. Look at this. How you guys doing? That was a great show yesterday.
Go.
We had a blast. Oh yeah.
Oh, good.
A lot of good cars. Thank you guys for hosting. Tawar family. Check out my video that I did for the Hawaiian Gardens car show. It is Monte Carlo, Iowa. '66 Galaxy, 23,000. Look at this. This is beautiful. Nice interior. It's a beautiful car. Galaxy 500. Look at this trunk. Man, that's clean. Who's in the Lincoln? Let's see what we got going on here. It's Pontiac. Got this bad boy down to the bare metal. Hey Mike, good seeing you. Oh, I didn't even see you. That's a beautiful bomb. Is it for sale? Not yet, right? See, I always ask me. I always ask for you guys. I know you guys want to know. Look at this 46. Man, this is rare right here. Not too many 1946. Maria is her name. Got the Suburban for sale. Oh, this is gonna be a hard one. I can't really see that. Hopefully you guys can. Difficult to see, but looks pretty complete. All the bench seats are there.
What movie were you talking about?
Got a post 1957. Don't see a for sale sign on it. Still nice. This is beautiful 1962 Super Sport. How's it going?
Now this is a Ranchero, but it's
1932 Ford. What do you think of that badge? I think most of these cars are old man edition. What do you guys think? Oh man, what do we have here? Look at this. Split window Corvette. Look at that. Stingray. The beautiful blue. I believe it's a Daytona blue. Try to get the blue for you guys here. Almost like a midnight blue. Uh-oh. Cheap truck, you don't really see this too often. It's ready to 4x. Got this bad boy for sale. Here's the information. Is it real wood? I don't know. You guys tell me. The dash is pretty nice. Like that little detail.
Well, I don't know. She found one in Des Moines, Iowa. And that was in like.
Super 88. For sale. Says he got a 62 and a 57 truck. How much are you asking for the 62? I noticed this.
62, I'm going to ask probably $42,000 for it.
Is it a two-door?
Two-door, 409. That's why I got the hubcaps for it.
Oh, okay.
I had the old Craigers on it, and I found the rims for it, so I'm going to put the old hubcaps back on. Or whoever wants it, they got both.
There you go, folks. Going to include the hubcaps. 62, 409.
Chevy truck too. That's true automatic, true hydromatic in it. 350. I'm
okay.
Sorry, not 350. 283.
All right, they'll give you a call.
Cool. Appreciate it. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Good luck on the sale.
Thank you.
It's a nice little truck. There's no price on it, but give them a call. That's pretty nice. 57. Call Mike on this Chevy van. It's pretty cool. What do we got going on here? Straight from Australia. Here you go. Look at this. Right-hand drive. Man, this is nice and unique, huh? This bad boy. Ooh, we got flames. Look at the flames.
Here? I'm ready for your breakfast.
You want something unique? Give him a call. I believe I've seen this Thunderbird before. Maybe, maybe not. It's hard to remember all these cars. There's a lot of cars that I see. How's it going? Sorry, thank you. Anybody want a classic Volvo? Got the silver Bullet for sale here, 1964. Super Sport. Baker truck. Give Jonathan a call. There's no phone number, but call him up. Pretty nice. Nice cruiser.
Oh, está más de.
Acá está más square, más
Ok. Esta está más como redondita.
Ajá, ok.
Let's see if this bad boy is for sale. Look at this. Wow, talk about a beast. That suspension, that's nice. I don't see a for sale sign on it.
In the same condition as before. I wouldn't mind owning it. I would buy it back.
It's a nice Ford. Couple Chevy trucks for sale here. nice convertible. Excuse me. $19.55. $41,000 is the ticket. Got this Impala wagon for sale. Pretty nice. Loud. Fleet Master. No price, but I got the 1953. Here's the information.
Thank you.
Give them a call. It's a nice color combo. Runs and drives, as you can see. Check her out, but check this out. Hello. Alright, let's get a complete look at this 53. Nice pipes. It's got the skirts. It's got the desirable right visor. Bumper guards. Check out this interior. I like the color combo.
Pretty much all original.
Yeah, I was just gonna say it looks original. There's the information again. Give them a call. Thank you. Bad boy. That boy.
So it was built for a 572. My dad bought it, dropped the
1953.
Yeah, everybody says that. Yeah, it's just like a dark black.
This Ford is for sale. Get you the information right now.
Yeah.
There it is. 54, cruising. How's it going? Just waiting on this beautiful 1950. Look at that. It's nice. Fastback. Alright folks, I think that's it for me. It's a hot one. It's already super hot. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Hopefully I caught all the cars. Hey, go find a classic car. Cruise it. Lincoln Town Car. The information looks pretty clean. Nice cruiser. Nice paint job. Get the interior for you guys. Ooh, what do we got going on here? Nice complete car. Bad boy. That's your neighbor. Going right behind it. For you guys on this one. It's nice, right?